full stack designer. I am actually yet to meet this person called a full stack designer. Even after 21 years of experience, a part of me is very nervous to say I'm a full stack designer because I'm not. I don't think a full stack designer is actually existing. It's yet to be born, probably. It's one of those unicorn terms that we use to really talk about our subject. I'll tell you why a full stack design is hard. Because you need to master almost 10 subjects to call yourself as an expert full stack designer. It starts from user research, and then you go into digital strategy. You need to understand a little bit of value proposition design. A bit of business design is definitely helpful. Without that, your digital strategy will suck. And from there, you go ahead into ideation, conceptualization, and your ability to insight, draw data, and see what it is speaking to you. And that's a huge skill by itself. And then comes your information design, interaction design, visual design. So there are many subfields of each subject. And above all, we need to understand the human mind. There comes your cognitive science, behavioral science, neuroscience, a little bit of semiotics, linguistics, anthropology, evolutionary psychology. Do you understand why a full stack designer is not possible? If a person knows all of this and is able to talk in depth about each, that is when we really call that person as a full stack designer. I'm still trying to become one. I'm still trying to master some aspects of these subjects. We really don't think one person will be able to bring it all in the table. And when I look at job descriptions, which is asking for full stack designer, my heart bleeds out because it is written out of ignorance. You're expecting a junior who has just come out of college, probably 1 year of experience in the industry, to know all of this? That must be a joke.